Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to customize Instagram fonts and text for stories. Let's get started. First, start by opening Instagram and create a story. Then upload your photo or video background, then tap the next. Then Instagram gives you multiple fonts, classic, modern, neon, typewriter, or more. Then tap in through them until you find one that matches your vibe. Then you can also customize your text with colors. Hold down on a color to open the gradient bar and drag across to create a rainbow effect. You can also highlight certain words for phrases. Play with text, alignment, and background, and drop shadows by layering text in two colors or use the glow option to extra pop. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.